Sir, are we doing level 2 or level 3, sir?
Level 1 only. Basics only we are doing.
Okay,
still.
sir. Okay, sir.
You are not perfect in basics, all of you. Exponents. Yeah. Yes. Can you see the screen or no? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. Check this one, please. Check it, children. Simplify. These all are we have to simplify 27 power 2 by 3, 1024 2 by 3. And already how to write a given number in exponential form, I have explained to you, right? Like LCM and all. Yeah, 27, we do the LCM, then we get 3 power 3. 27 is 3 power 3. Am I right? Bhaskar? Bhaskar, please respond.
Yes, sir.
So here our question is 27 power 2 by 3. We write 3 power 3 whole power 2 by 3. Okay? 3 and 3
Okay,
gets
sir.
cancelled. You will get 3 power 2. 3 into 3 is equal to 9.
Fine.
Okay, now? Likewise,
Sir, how
let's
we will get 3 into 3, sir?
3 power 2. What is the value of 3 power 2? 3 power 2 means 3 into 3 now.
Yes, sir.
Like that. And second one, I'll give the hint. Please try, children. 1024. Take the LCM and tell me, both of you, what is the
Okay, sir.
exponential form of 1024? Chaitanya and Bhaskar, do it and tell me, no?
They're doing, sir. Sir, in LCM we can take 500, sir.
No, only prime numbers. Only prime numbers you have to take.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no? On that day I have explained, you people forgot. Again, I'll show you the screen.
Yes, sir.
024 or minus 4 by 5. Chaitanya, what is the answer? I put a question in front of you. You didn't say the answer, Chaitanya. Tell me the 1024 exponential form with base 2. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me 1024 exponential form with base 2. I was explained, you people forgot. I'll show you the base. I think this space. This space. See this space? On that I explained for you. See here 1024 I did LCM. So what I got here 1024 in the sense 2 power how much I got? Where did I write here? How many 2s you got? Please check. 2 power 10 you got? No. Can you see the screen, children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you will get 2 power 10 here. So 512 times 256 like this. It is called exponential form. So, but our question is, what is the question? Chaitanya, read the question. 1024 power minus 4 by 5. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1024 power minus
1024 power minus 4 by 5.
minus 4 by 5 is equal to 2 power 10 power minus 4 by 5. Just cancel 10 and 5. You will get 2. 2 power 2 whole power minus 4. 2 power minus 6. We can write it as 1 by 2 power 6 and 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times we have to write it. You will get 64. Okay. Okay, now answer is 1 by 64, children. Let's go for the next one.
Okay, sir.
Now I want answer from you. 42. Oh, sorry. Here one more question is there. Third question. Check third question. 8 by 125 power minus 4 by 3. 8 by
Sir, how to
125.
do that, sir?
Take LCM for 8 and take LCM for 125.
Okay, sir.
LCM for 8 and LCM for 125. What is 8 in exponential form? What is 8 in exponential form? Chaitanya, you are not doing any work. Chaitanya,
Sir,
what you are doing, I'm not understanding.
I'm doing, sir.
What is 8 in exponential form? You're not at all responding. Eight, do LCM with 2.
Sir, 2 power 3, sir.
125.
Sir, 5 cube.
Now what is the question is given to you? Read the question.
8 by 125 whole power 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3.
You said 2 by 5 now.
Yes, sir.
Then what is going to cancel?
4 by 3.
3. Now what you will get?
2 by 5 whole power minus 4.
I don't want minus. What should I do here?
Sir, 5 by 2 whole power 4.
5 power 4 means you will get 625. 2 power 4 means you will get 16.
And yes, sir, 16.
Right. Now let's go to the 42nd question. 42nd, 43rd, 44th. Please take out and do it as homework. These 3 sums.
Okay, sir.
And I'm moving to the next page.
Sir, I'll
Basket.
take screenshot. Wait, sir.
1 minute. Yeah, take now. Now you take it.
1 minute, sir. I am taking. I took, sir.
Yeah, over. Over, children.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next page I'm moving. Actually, by this first level sums are completed. I would like to give you some difficult level problems. Just wait. Here we go. Yes. Everyone can see the screen, children?
Yes, sir.
Let's start from here. Yes. So listen carefully. The 54 is not required. See 55, children. The question is like this. I'm writing. Yeah. 12 power 4, 9 power 3, 4, 6 power 3, 8 power 2, 27. You can try now, please. Both of you, please try it.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So children, I'm explaining this sum on the board. Please check now.
Finished, sir.
Finished, huh? Yeah, please check your answer. Very good. Right. 12 power 4 into 9 power 3 into 4 by 6 power 3,
Power 3.
8 power 2 into 27. So we want common base. Common base. Common base means a power m by a power n or a power m into a power n. If it is like this, we subtract the powers. If it is like this, we add the powers. So here all are different powers. I will try to write as common powers. Please check, children. 12, I will write as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 9, I will write as 3 into 3. 4, I will write as 2 into 2. 6, I will write as 2 into 3. And 8, I will write as 2 into 2 into 2. 27, I will write as 3 into 3 into 3. These all are LCMs I have done. So that now I proceed the sum like this. 12. 12 means I have to write powers not 2 power 2 into 3. 12, 2 power 2 into 3 I will write. And 9 I will write 3 power 2. 3 power 2 whole power 3. And 4 I will write 2 power 2. 6 I will write 2 into 3 power 3. 8 I will write 2 power 3 power 2. 27 I will write 3 power 3. Now, if we have two powers, like we have to multiply with the power, inside power. Now we have here 4 multiply with 2 and I'm marking with yellow color. Please check. 2 should be multiplied with 4 and 3 power 1. This 2 should be multiplied. This 2 should be multiplied. And powers should be splitted like. That means
Sir,
A,
2
B.
into 4, 8. 8 into 3.
Yeah. A
24.
power M, B power M. Like this will come. So 2 4s are 8. 3 power 4. 3 power 6. 2 power 2 by 2 power 3, 3 power 3, 2 power 6, 3 power 3. It will come like that. Now you can see very carefully, only we have the bases 2 and 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please respond. We have base 2 and 2 here, 3 here, 3. If it is in the denominator, subtract. If it is in side by side, add.
Add.
First, I will add this 2. 2 power 8 plus 2. And this 2 I will add into 3 power 4 plus 6. And denominator also, this 2 I will add the powers like into this 2, please add 3 power 3 plus 3. And 8 plus 2 is 10 children. And 4 plus 6 is 10 children. And 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then no subtraction. Subtraction in the sense, this one we have to subtract, and this one we have to subtract. 10 minus 9, 10 minus 6. 10 minus 9 is 1, 10 minus 6 is 4. Answer is 2 into 3 power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Means how much you will get? 3 9 3 27, 81, 2 is 162 is the answer. Please copy down, children.
Yes, sir. I also got 162.
Very good. Please copy down. These are the next level problems, which are little difficult. Okay, no?
Noted, sir.
Yeah, or else you can take the screenshot. We shall move to the next question. Question 56, children. 56, x power a by x power b power c, x power b by x power a, x power c by x power a power b. 56, 57, I'm explaining now. Please check. These will not be in our textbook, no. I took from next level textbook. Please check. Right. X power a by x power b whole power c into x power b by x power c whole power a into x power c by x power a whole power b. Like this it goes. Now bracket inside we have quotient rule, means like this. We get powers to be subtracted. This work we will do first. I have to subtract the powers like a minus b power c and b minus c power a, c minus a power b. And now I got two powers like a power m whole power n written as a power mn. So that just multiply the powers, x power a minus b into c, x power b minus c into a, x power c minus a into b. And then add the powers plus like this. Now multiply a into c ac, b into c bc, b into a ba, c into a ca, cb ab. If you see carefully, here two terms are repeated. AC and C both are same. BC and BC both are same with a different sign. And CB and AB. CB is, this is same. Somewhere, this is AB, no? I wrote CB, that is AB. This is A, These two are same. Then these two are same. Let's cancel these two, cancel these two, and cancel these two. Everything is cancelled. X power 0, anything power 0 is 1. Please take the screenshot, children. Okay.
Okay, sir. Took, sir.
Now next question I am going. I'm requesting you to please try this. If you not get, I will explain. 2 power, I'll show the question. Just check it out, no? 57th. Just try it. I'm giving 5 minutes. If not, I will explain.
Sir, what is next class, sir?
Next class for 7th today Wednesday, no? Chemistry.
Okay, sir.
It starts at 6:35. Yes, any one of you get the answer? No, Chaitanya, did you get 57?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will explain. This question I'm writing on the board. 2 power a plus 3. 2 power a plus 3. 3 power 2a plus b. 6 power b plus 1 by 3 power a plus b. 6 power a plus b. So first 2 power a plus 3 is separate. Leave it off like that. 2 power a plus 3 will come like that only. These two powers to be subtracted with same base, so that 3 power 2a plus b minus a plus b. Denominator comes minus. And likewise, this is also 6 power b plus 1 minus a plus b. Will come like this. A plus 3. 2 power a plus 3 into 2a plus b minus a minus b, b plus 1 minus a minus b. Here b and b cancel, here b and b cancel. The remaining are 2 power a plus 3, 3 power 2a minus a is a, and 6 power 1 minus a. 6, this is 6. But options are not there like that. It is in 2 and it is in like 2, 3. ABs are not there. Now what I will do, 2 power a plus 3, 3 power a, 6 I will write as 2 into 3 power 1 minus a. Now separate the base like this, 2 power 1 minus a into 3 power 1 minus a. Now bases equal powers to be added. This power and this power can be added, and this power and this power to be added. Okay. This 2. A plus 3 plus 1 minus a into 3 power a plus 1 minus a cancel here, a cancel here, 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 is the answer. 2 power 4 into 3 is the answer. Please check, children. This is the complicated problem which is based on JEE mains.
Okay, sir.
Right, children, let's go for the next question. See this. 2001, 2019. This will be more difficult. 59th, I will explain for you. 59th. Check, children, 59.
పుస్తకం చెప్పలేము ఆ టెస్ట్ అది చేస్తే కానీ చెప్పలేము ఆ తర్వాత అదంతా చెయ్యాలి సర్జరీ కాకుండా
59th. 1 by 1 plus a power m minus n.
Sir, my brother also want to listen classes, sir.
No, listen to me first. They will talk at the end, okay?
Okay, sir.
Already, I have told you what is the procedure and all, but again, you are asking the same question.
It
I
is
told you
not
know the
coming, sir.
procedure. What
It is
happened?
not coming. It is not
Yep.
opening, sir.
No, you have to go to YouTube. Okay, now YouTube. There,
What we should type, sir?
Akshar online classes. Akshar online. What
Okay,
means
sir.
it didn't set still? You're still asking me the questions.
Okay, sir, I understand.
I will provide a number, contact number. Just contact to them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, children. Here m minus n. 1 plus a power m by a power n. 1 plus a power n by a power m. So here LCM is a power n. Just multiply 1 into a power n by a power n. This a power m plus a power n by a power m. Now this denominator goes up. A power n by a power m plus a power n plus this one a power m by a power m plus a power n. Now LCM is same. A power m plus a power n is the LCM. And this will come as it is. A power m plus a power n. Please check children. Please copy down. If you have finished this, I'm giving you another sum. Please try Nano.
Okay, sir.
And easy sum I will give you. Although this is all difficult. Yeah. 66, please try Nano. 66. Chaitanya, this Vivek is your friend.
Sir?
This Vivek is your friend.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's asking contact number for Akshar. Again, he was left from the class. I'm telling to you. Please
Sir,
inform to him.
Okay, sir. I'll send, sir.
9121.
1 minute, sir.
I'm typing to you. I'm
9121.
typing message. I'm keeping
Okay,
to
sir.
you.
Okay, sir.
Check the number.
589034. Okay, sir.
Okay, now please
Okay,
keep
sir.
a message for that boy.
Okay, sir. I'll send, sir.
Okay, right, Chaitanya. Let's do this sum.
Okay, sir.
We'll stop the class. Question is x is equal to 8 power 2 by 3 into 32 power minus 2 by 5. First, we'll simplify this. 8 power 2 by 3. 8 we will write as like this. And 32 we will write as 2 power 5. Let 5 cancel. 3 cancel. 2 power 2 into 2 power minus 2. We'll get 2 minus 2. 2 power 0 is 1. X is equal to 1. They asked for x power minus 5. 1 power minus 5 is 1 by 1 power 5 is equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, now? Okay, Chaitanya?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. By this, I'm ending the class now. We shall continue
Okay, sir.
tomorrow. Okay, take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.